Hey everyone, welcome to the Desert Rock Harvest 2019. Come take a look and see what we're doing in here. So we picked all these grapes yesterday off at the Red Rock Vineyard, which is 6,100 feet up in the White Mountains. It's probably the highest elevation vineyard in the whole state of Arizona. This is our first time getting the fruit, so this is our kind of inaugural vintage. So what we've got right here is a little Pinot Noir that I'm throwing into the hopper for Mr. McHale to start crushing. We've been doing this for about 4 or 5 hours now. We're just about on our last batch. So this will go through the crusher and stemmer, moving all the stems back here, and all the crushed grapes into here, which will then in about another 3 or 4 hours inoculate for fermentation. Got a couple of secret winemaking tricks there. And then when it happens, after fermentation, we take it over here to the bladder press. We're going to crush the whites and put in the juice, so now we're taking those skins and pressing them out. You can see there's an inflatable bladder in there that's filling with water, pressing all the juice out of those remaining skins, which gives you a nice dry texture and a bunch of press wine for us. We'll light this off in a couple hours. It's off to the races. Harvest 2019.